Hello everybody, so today I want to show you how to do about probability. Question 8. We want to find the probability of 3 computers. So this is about this one. We know that the sum of all of them in here should be equals to number 1. So we have this number in here. We use the number 1 in here. We need to minus about 0.16 minus 0.22 minus 0.2 minus 0.14, and we can find the question mark, and that is about 0.28. Question B. We want to find the mean. The mean of this one, that is about expected. So in this case we have S1 multiplied by B number 1. BS1 plus S2 multiplied by B of S2, and so on until S number 5 multiplied by BS5. So in this one, S1 we have number 1, BS1 we have 0.16, and S2 we have number 2 multiplied by 0.22, number 3 with 0.28, and number 4 multiplied by 0.20, and number 5 multiplied by 0.14. So we calculate this one, and you got 2.94. Question C. Standard deviation. We have the formula in here. That is about this one. So in this one we have the square root, and in this one we have S number 1 minus about expected value in here to the power of 2, and we have BS number 1 plus S number 2 minus expected value to the power of 2 BS number 2, and so on until S number 5 minus expected value to the power of 2 BS number 5. So in this one we calculate in here. So that should be like this. So we have S1, that is about number 1 minus about 2.94 to the power of 2 multiplied by 0.16, and then we have number 2 minus 2.94 to the power of 2 multiplied by 0.22, and we repeat again until to number 5 minus 2.94 to the power of 2 multiplied by 0.14. We calculate this one, and we have the final answer, and we have 1.2713. The last one, find the probability that at most 4 computers were repaired. So we just sum this one, this one, this one, and this one, or maybe we use number 1 minus 0.14, and we got the final answer, and that is about 0.86. This is the end. Thank you for watching.